Okay, so this will be a video of how I solve the Rubik's Cube. The method I use is the CFOP or CFOP method, which stands for cross, F2L, OLL, and PLL. So let's scramble the cube. So I start off with the white side of the cube because that's where I'm a bit familiar with. Let's start. The first step is the cross. So I'm gonna put all the white pieces of the cross here. Let's do it. That's it. That's my white cross. As you can see. White cross. The next step is the F2L. The F2L is this part. There's these two pieces. These two pieces. Let's do it. That's it. The F2L cross is finished. So here it is. The first two layers of the cube. So the next step is the OLL, which stands for orientation of the last layer. So I need to orient these pieces, these yellow pieces, so that they will be completed. So here it goes. So there it is. The last layer is finished, but this part is for the last step, which is the permutation of the last layer, or PLL. So OLL and PLL, by the way, are solved with algorithms, which you can memorize. So this is the last step, permutation of the last layer. There it is. How I solve the Rubik's Cube.